Mo Thai ba.
Go.
Mo Thai ba.
Go.
Mo Thai ba. Wool.
I like watermelon juice.
Okay.
I want drink pineapple juice.
Okay, so today we are going out. Say hi. Say hello. Yeah, and you? Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. You pick what you like.
Pick
the bowl. Pick the bowl. Get the bowl and pick. Where's bowl? Bowl. Yes. Pick what you want. Give me a seat, man. Now pick what you like. Take what you like. Take what you like. Okay, pick whatever you like. Okay. Pick what you like. Yes, pick. Go for it. Pick. The weights, okay? And you tell me what the weight is. You should know how much it weighs, right? Oh, nah, the way it is. I don't look at all of you. Questions.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Dian.
Nice to meet you, Dian. My name is Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
I like chicken.
Chicken. Wow. I like pizza. What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
English. Okay, nice.
Let's go to we. Let's go to we.
Hui. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. My name is Eben and you are Hui. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. What do you do in your free time?
I usually playing badminton with my mother.
Okay. Do you go to the swimming? Do you swim during your free time?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. What food do you like?
I like hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay. I also like noodles. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. How's the weather today?
The weather is hot and dry.
Dry. Okay. Very good. What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Pizza. Okay. What do you do in your free time?
I usually ride my bike with my family.
Oh, nice. Okay. What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, good.
Hello.
I'm Eben. What about you?
My name is Tuan.
Okay. Yes. So, what do you do in your free time?
I play football.
Football. What's your favorite player? Do you like Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Okay, Sue. Yes, you like Ronaldo, right? Okay. What do you do normally during the day? What what do you do during the day? Do you go to the swim? You go and swim, or you go to the coffee shop or shopping? Where do you go during the day?
I like swim.
You like to go to the swimming center. Okay, very good. And what food do you like?
I like hamburger.
Hamburger.
And what drink do you like? What drink do you like?
I drink orange juice.
Okay, what's your favorite color?
I like black.
Black? Yes, that's why you're wearing black color. Okay, nice. Nice to meet you all. What's your name again? Your name?
My name is Tian.
Okay, you?
My name is Huy.
You?
My name is Huy.
My name is Toan.
Very good. Nice to meet you all. Okay, what food is this?
It's meat for it's meat.
Meat? And what about this?
It's chief.
Okay, what about this? What is this? Cucumber.
Hey,
Yes.
talking to this.
Yes. What is this?
Cucumber.
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 Yeah.
Cucumber.
Very good.
So that is what cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yes. And what is this?
It's rice.
Rice.
More rice.
And this is what?
Tomato.
Which of the food is your favorite?
Tomato.
Potato.
Yes.
Again?
I like tomato.
No.
Tomato. There's no tomato.
Potato. He's talking about potato.
So what do you like? What's your favorite? I like.
I like potato.
Yes.
Okay. Give it to her. What's your favorite?
I like meat. Meat.
Meat. Okay. And then give it to her.
Okay.
I like
That means
What do you like?
potato.
You like what?
Potato. I like potato.
Okay. Right.
I like cucumber.
cucumber.
Now when you eat your steak,
Let's enjoy the meal. Okay. Let me try this.
and then you tell me how it tastes. Take one. And you tell me how it tastes.
So delicious.
It's very delicious.
How does it taste?
Yeah.
How does it taste?
It's very delicious.
Very delicious. How does it taste? Tastes good. Tastes bad.
Is very good.
It's very good. Okay, how does it taste?
It's
Very hot.
very good.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's get a drink. Bye.
Let's go.
All right. So there are different kinds of fruits here. Okay. Sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are different kinds of fruit here. What fruit can you see?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay. What fruit do you see?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. What fruit do you see?
Pineapple.
He said pineapple. The other fruit.
Carrot.
What fruit do you see?
Orange.
Again?
Orange.
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 Okay. Now what fruit do you see? This one. Carrot.
No.
Okay. What do you see?
No. Nhìn thấy cái gì cơ?
What do you see?
Đang nhìn thấy cái gì chứ chưa phải uống đâu. Carrot.
Okay. So now this is what? Orange.
Orange.
This is orange. This is what?
Carrot.
This is.
Pineapple.
This is.
Pineapple.
And this is.
Watermelon.
Now, which of these juice do you want? Do you want orange juice, pineapple juice, carrot juice, or watermelon juice? Now you tell me. I like pineapple juice, or I like carrot juice, I like orange juice, and they'll make for you. Okay? So, which of these juice do you want?
I like watermelon.
Okay, I like watermelon juice.
I like watermelon juice.
Okay, hello.
Anh ơi, cho một nước và em đổ.
Shut. What do you want?
I like watermelon juice.
Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice. Okay? Yes, one. Watermelon juice. What do you want?
I want drink pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice. Yes, do you know pineapple? Juice. What do you want? I want
Pineapple juice.
pineapple juice. What do you want?
I want orange juice.
Orange juice. Teacher, what do you want?
I want pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice for him. And I want pineapple juice as well. So, pineapple. Who again has pineapple? Pineapple. And you want pineapple. Pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watermelon. Who wants watermelon? Watermelon. Watermelon. What do you want? Orange. Okay. We sit there. Okay, now let's go and wait for our drink. Wait for our drink. Sit here. Okay, pineapple. Pineapple for you. Bring more. Orange juice. Where's your drink? 1, 2, 3. Go. So you are what? I'm full. Okay. Did you enjoy the food? Was it nice?
I like juice.
Okay. More time back. More time back. More time back. Wool?
Đây được cái câu này.
How much? How much?
165. 165. No, yeah.
Okay, so it's how much?
165.
165 for all of this.
165.
165.
165.
Okay, so now pay money, pay.
No money.
No
I
money.
need money. No money.
No money.
No money. Nanti ketemu money. Oh,
No money.
no money.
Yeah.
Now is money.
Just to no money.
Today is money. Oh, let's go back. Go back.
No money.
Oh, is every day.
Well,
Every day.
I'll be back.
Yes, yeah. 165. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Claire. Hey. How much are you supposed to pay? Audio?
Bao nhiêu tiền này? 175. 175.
How much?
175.
How much is it?
175.
Again?
175.
175.
175.
175. Okay, so let's see. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
175. Okay. Say goodbye. See you again. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. May hảo vậy bự. Next one is how's you? You like this?
No.
Một phút nữa của mình được mà. Okay, so tell me, yes. You want to go to? What do you want to go to? Yes. Which club do you want to go to?
To play.
Play gì nhỉ?
Play. Hello. Play game.
Play motorbike.
Hi. What's up? This is what you want. Hi. What's your name? Kontalazi? Bing. Ah, beautiful. Singai. Yeah. Hello. All right. Which of them do you want? Which of them do you want? How much? How new? This is the 30 nghìn. Okay, take one. Two on one. 2 on 1. 2 on 1. 2 on 1. 2, okay. 2. Another 2 on 1. Say, wait. Do you know how to ride? Do you know how to ride? No accident. Don't go and hit somebody. We go around and then we come. Okay. All right. And you have to be careful on the road. Look on the road. Let's go. I enjoy it. Yeah, it's fun. We go straight. Okay, let's go straight. Go. Okay, let's go. We're having fun. Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Yeah. Okay, so we'll turn here, right?